Hi Colby, Spencer from Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. To my right, the 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Wanted to put together a little video tour of the vehicle, show you around the car, show you all the ins and outs of the car. 54,000 miles, beautiful silver metallic. Got this nice, big, aggressive, tall vehicle. Nice chrome work here in the front bumpers, tow hooks up front. You get a nice lift with that F-250. It is a very nice vehicle. Brand new tires on the truck, so new you can see the stripes. So you got 4 brand new tires on the vehicle. STX model. Nice cloth interior. Got those very nice wheels, chrome, running boards along the bottom. Fuel is on the driver's side of the full cab. FX4 off-road badging here on the vehicle. It's a gorgeous truck. The bed has a nice bed liner in there, not even worn too much. Nicely used, not totally dented and demolished. And then taking a look inside the truck, we'll start first with the second row. There are your rear seats, lots of legroom, tons of space. You got that third seat up there in the front as well. Lots of room. Lots of glass. And then we'll take a closer look at the driver and passenger seat. Inside the F-250, we can take a closer look at the interior. Comfortable, very adjustable seating here in the vehicle. 54,987 miles currently on the odometer. Nice setup here. We have cruise control, phone operation, volume control on the steering wheel, power windows, our 4-wheel drive selection, touchscreen here for our phone, audio, Bluetooth and radio, camera systems. We've got volume, radio control, climate control down below, a 12 volt and 110 plug-in right there, so nice, easy to access, easy to use. USB ports and another 12 volt down below. Wanted to just give you a little video tour. If you have any questions, 207-510-2253 is my direct extension. Thanks so much for watching, Colby. Hope you enjoyed.